Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Jira Software for issue tracking detailed guide step by step clearly. Type in the URL for Atlassian's Jira Software. On the homepage, look for the option labeled Try it free or Get Started. Click on that option to begin the subscription process. You will be directed to a sign-up form. Fill in your email address and create a strong password for your account. Confirm your password by typing it again. Next, select your preferred method of setting up your Jira environment. You may choose either a cloud option or a self-hosted version. If you opt for the cloud version, click on Sign up with Cloud. Follow the prompts to enter your company name. Once you've entered your company name, click on Continue. At this point, you may be asked to fill in additional user details. Provide necessary information such as your first name, last name, and job title. You might also need to enter the number of users you expect to have. Click on Continue after filling in the details. Once your account is created, you will be taken to your Jira dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface, as it will be your primary workspace. To create your first project, find and click the Create Project button. You will be prompted to select a project template. Choose a template that suits your project requirements. After selecting the template, customize your project settings. Adjust options such as project name and key as needed. Once your project is set up, begin adding issues for tracking. Click on the Create button to add your first issue. Fill in details for the issue, including title, description, and priority. Assign team members to the issue if necessary. Save your issue, and repeat the process for additional tasks. Explore project boards and reports available within Jira for better tracking. Utilize filters and queries to manage your issues effectively. Regularly check your dashboard for overview and updates on your projects. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.